LifeTube, where you can learn the secrets of makeup pros and pick up some of the tips and tricks that insiders use. Lips are a very important part of your overall look, and cool lip makeup can add a lot of sizzle to your look, especially when it's a fresh, classy, and trendy one, just like our glossy graphic lips look that we will show you now. So get ready to make your lips look stunningly amazing. Step 1. Lip brush plus lipstick. Pick a saturated, dark pink color and fill your lips with it. Pay attention to not overdo it. Just fill in the lips. Pro tip: you can exceed the lip borders, but remember to maintain the natural bow shape of the lips, or else it might look a little off. Step 2. Add some transparent lip gloss and cover your lips with it to add some sparks to your smile. Pro tip: if you mess up anywhere in the middle and need to correct your lips form, use concealer and a triangle sponge. And that's it! Blow some kisses to your reflection in the mirror and enjoy your flashy, luscious looking lips. Remember to like and share this video if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks that professionals use. Stay tuned for more makeup tutorials here on the LifeTube.